Hi, and welcome to another Mobus Data unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox and have some first views on the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. So let's crack the box open and just see what is really inside the phone. Inside the box, that is. Okay? So first up, we have the phone itself. It looks quite nice, but let's just leave it here for now. Okay. Inside the box, we have some user manuals, just your standard, I'd say, paperwork. There's a charging brick, Samsung branded fast charging brick. There is a SIM tray tool, just the regular SIM tray tool here. Also, here's a surprisingly micro USB cable to type A, just regular USB, so micro USB. And Samsung branded in-ear headphones, 3.5mm headphones. They feel plasticky and I don't believe they sound that good, to be honest, but we'll see. We'll have this phone reviewed. All right, okay, let's peel the plastic off. All right, this phone comes in this very nice blue color. It really feels nice in hand. Let's boot it up and see what it really looks like. The power button is really nice here. It doesn't protrude at all, and it's kind of flush with the side of the device. It looks really cool. The display and the phone itself, the build quality, the phone really looks substantial. It feels really nice. It's built of glass, so it's not plasticky. It has 3 cameras, obviously, here. We'll see how they perform in our review. On the bottom, here's that infamous micro USB tray here. I don't know, in 2018 to have micro USB, that's kind of sad, especially in a mid-range device by Samsung. So yeah, basically this is it. The phone is now booted up, and stay tuned for the full review, which will come shortly.